So I wanted to show a little bit of this device out that I've been designing. It's a little touch screen. It'll show live data. This is the live data screen. I've got lambda, spark advance, speed, fuel trims, load, throttle commanded, throttle actual, gear, a couple other things on the screen. This is the setup screen. So the whole point of this thing was to give you something that can data log, something that can run your nitrous, that can act as a boost controller, analog inputs. I'll have a E85 IO also. So this is the configuration screen, nitrous configuration. It'll have nitrous enabled per gear. You can turn on and off the nitrous, and it's got a lambda safety. So if you're at wide open throttle spraying nitrous and lambda's above that value, it's going to shut down. Also has the window the window switch, and also wide open throttle enable. Boost controller very similar. You've got a PID loop that you can configure the proportional, integral, derivative gain, invert operation if you're going to run turbo versus doing a bypass valve on a supercharger. Then you can enable different boost modes in different gears. I've got 4 different modes configured. Also the same lambda safety. You can cut boost if you're at wide open throttle and your lambda is too high. You'll have the trans brake built in. I don't really know if I'm going to have much configuration to do there, but at least for the 6R80, it'll have the trans brake built into the board. IO configuration, you've got automatic fuel pump control, so if you're running 2 or 3 pumps, it'll cycle. It'll give you the ability to cycle which pump is the primary pump, so you don't put all the load. You can start on a hop switch. You can start on load. You can do it multiple ways. As far as analog inputs, you got fully scalable 8 analog inputs. I've got the first 5 configured already as boost, wideband 1 and 2, fuel pressure, nitrous, and then you can configure the last 3, and you can configure whatever limits you want. So say if your boost gauge was 31 psi, you could just type in 310 and it's right there. I'm gonna put it back. Also gives you a map for what all the different outputs and relay outputs do. The trans brake, fuel pumps, alarm output. Alarm output, if you're at wide open throttle and it sees a lambda above a value, it's going to set an alarm as a warning, so you can add a warning lamp for that. System configuration, you can configure your tire height, axle ratio, and transmission ratios. Also, there's a save settings button, so you can save settings once you've got everything the way you want. Brightness settings. And that's pretty much it.